Hi, in this video, we will show you how to set up zones. Zones are physical areas of the home that will contain established groups. Groups containing a specific zone can be synchronized together or can be controlled separately entirely. Opening the hamburger side menu, tap on the Zones menu option. Tap the plus sign at the top right-hand corner of the screen. Enter the name of your new zone and then tap the Confirm button. Your new zone will be added to your zone list. Proceed by selecting groups to your newly created zone. The selected groups have now been added to your zone. Return to the Zone tab. You will now see your newly created zone with its groups. If you have created multiple zones, you can access them by swiping the image left and right. You may take a photo of your zone to help map out your group placement by aligning them with their real location. For more information, please visit our website today.